The advantages of Clubhouse for building your brand. Clubhouse provides you with the opportunity to build your brand, and in this video, we will explain why this is the case. A lot of marketers are unable to see the marketing power that Clubhouse can provide, as it is different to other social media platforms. Once you know the advantages of using Clubhouse for your brand marketing, there will be no stopping you. Be prepared for marketing on Clubhouse. You need to think about the strategies that you will use to get the best results from Clubhouse. Preparation is very important, and those that fail to prepare will prepare to fail. These are the most important things that you have to know before you begin your Clubhouse marketing journey. 1. You need to know your audience. 2. You need to decide what value you are going to provide to your Clubhouse audience. 3. Use the first 2 things to decide on the type of conversations you want to have on Clubhouse. Clubhouse is not the kind of social media app where you can just add a post with a link back to your website. It requires you to be creative and strategic. It is unlikely that you will achieve a lot of short-term gains with Clubhouse, so set your sights on the long term. You can build trust and a community. Your target audience is always going to favor individuals and companies that provide authentic and trustworthy messages. The fact that your company may have been around for decades doesn't matter that much anymore. In these current times, your audience wants to be sure that you care about them and that you will share your values with them. By starting a Clubhouse room where you discuss everything about your brand in an uncensored way, you will come across a lot more authentic and trustworthy. Clubhouse provides you with the opportunity to participate in live conversations in a community space. It is okay to be vulnerable in these spaces. You can deliver audio content to both large and small groups of your target audience. There are no scripts, and anyone can join in. Making yourself open and available to your target audience is going to help with the building of trust. You are willing to talk candidly about your industry and your brand, and your audience will really appreciate that. This is not something that all brands will be prepared to do. Prove that you are a thought leader. The Clubhouse app was based on thought leaders and influencers. This means that your target audience will want to listen to new ideas, insider information, and join in discussions with experts in their niche. Being a thought leader will boost your credibility and standing in your niche. So, you need to grab the Clubhouse opportunity with both hands. Be willing to share your expertise and your thoughts on how the niche will change. Your audience wants audio content. Videos are a great way to get your message across to your target audience, but after a while, watching a lengthy webinar can be mentally draining. More people are checking out podcasts these days and even webinars with no visual content. One of the major advantages of using Clubhouse is that it provides a break from the continuous screen time that is forced down people's throats these days. Your target audience will always crave personal connections and will want to attend live events. Clubhouse makes it easy for them to do this. Networking and collaboration. The Clubhouse app has a wide variety of rooms and clubs on virtually any subject that members are interested in. It is highly likely that you will be able to find rooms and clubs that are related to your niche where you can network and collaborate. You can be strategic with the way that you use Clubhouse for your marketing. Getting to know club founders and moderators can certainly help with the development of your brand. By choosing the right Clubhouse rooms, you can speak to the right people that are going to provide you with the most value. Provide your expertise and support. It is best if you view Clubhouse as an easy and free way to provide value to your target audience. You can also use it to build trust with new audiences. Have the mindset that you need to give before you can take when you are using Clubhouse for your marketing. Be prepared to offer your expertise in your niche to Clubhouse members. Provide your support to them by helping them connect with your audience. When you are seen as someone who always gives a lot to the Clubhouse community, you will be able to achieve the results that you want. Create your own community. Clubhouse provides you with the opportunity to hold discussions with your existing customers and your target audience by creating a community. Make sure that you provide value for your community by sharing your knowledge and exchanging tips. Clubhouse provides the opportunity to set expectations. You are able to clearly set expectations for other Clubhouse members about what you will deliver in your conversations. It is really important that you clarify what other members can expect from you when you are leading discussions. By setting the right expectations, it will help your target audience to understand the context of your message better. This helps to ensure that your followers know what to expect from you, which will help you to engage better with them. Use Clubhouse for word-of-mouth marketing. Clubhouse is ideal for word-of-mouth marketing and raising the awareness of brands. When you can sell your story effectively on Clubhouse, this will increase your chances of more rewards through your social connections. Take the opportunity to sponsor a room as your brand. This will put you in the driving seat and enable you to tell your story. Clubhouse offers a really unique way for your target audience to engage with your brand. Get valuable feedback. You can use Clubhouse to obtain valuable feedback about your brand. For example, you can set up a room to pitch a new product or service that you are launching. Others in the room will provide you with their opinions, which will help you to perfect your new product or service. If you are currently experiencing a problem with your business, you can start a room to discuss this. It is likely that others have experienced the same problem in their business and will be willing to provide you with constructive feedback and advice on how to overcome the problem. Tap into trends. It's a good idea to consider Clubhouse as a way that you can listen into the social buzz. By following influencers in your niche, you can pick up on the latest trends. You can also keep an eye on your competitors on the platform. Make it your business to immerse yourself in conversations that are related to your niche. In this way, you can gain a better understanding of the needs and wants of your target audience. It will not take you long to notice emerging trends in your niche when you are up to date with the latest news. You need to stay relevant with your brand. Make a connection with investors. If you are looking for investment in your business, then Clubhouse is a great way to connect with potential investors. There are venture capitalists that are already Clubhouse members. This provides you with the opportunity to get in front of these people and pitch your business to them. Start a room where you will share all of the relevant information about your business. Invite investors to your room and take note of the feedback that you get. This will help you to adjust your pitch and also to tweak your business plan if this is necessary. In the next video, we will discuss Clubhouse marketing tactics.